In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoice in QuickBooks. We'll walk through the process in QuickBooks Online from start to finish so you can confidently bill your customers and get paid faster. Begin by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top left for the plus new button. Click that, then under the customer section, choose Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form where you'll enter all the details your client needs to see. Start with the customer information. Use the customer name dropdown to pick an existing client, or choose Add New if this is a first-time customer. Confirm the email address so the invoice reaches the right inbox. Set the invoice date to reflect when you're issuing the bill. Next, select your payment terms. Options like Net 15 or Net 30 automatically calculate when payment is due. You can manually adjust the due date if needed. A quick tip here, double check the email and terms before moving on. It saves time and avoids delays in payment. Now add what you're billing for. In the product service column, select the relevant item from your list. Fill in the description to clarify what the customer is receiving, enter the quantity, and then the rate. QuickBooks instantly calculates the amount based on quantity times rate, so you can spot any discrepancies right away. If your sale is taxable, be sure to apply the appropriate sales tax. This ensures your totals and compliance are accurate. If you want to give your invoice a professional touch, take a moment to customize it. You can add your logo, switch the template style to match your brand, include a friendly message to the customer like a thank you or payment instructions, and attach any supporting documents such as signed estimates or timesheets. For deeper personalization, open the gear icon and select custom form styles to adjust layout, colors, and more. When you're ready to wrap up, choose how you want to finalize the invoice. Save and close keeps it on file for later. Save and send emails it to your customer immediately, which is great for quick turnaround. If the customer is paying on the spot, select receive payment to record it right away. To email and finish in one go, click send and close. You can review the preview to ensure everything looks perfect before it goes out. That's it. You've created a clean, accurate invoice in QuickBooks Online, set clear terms, and are ready to send or receive payment with confidence.